What's up, DCB fam? About to do a little estimate here on this car. Pull this key out though, making all this noise. All right. Show you all the little process I go through doing the estimate. Right here, we're going to put the VIN in. So, got an automatic. I'm trying to do an estimate over here, and they over there running their mouth. Hey man, breakfast over. Now we're gonna go here and get all 4 corners of the vehicle, and then I'll do all my VIN number, odometer, and then we'll get all the photos of the damage. Hey, Hot Pocket man, come over here. I need a camera guy.
I ate 2, and I had 2 Hot Pockets this morning.
Thank you, sir.
What are we doing with this camera here, man? Just getting a daily dose of what you do?
Yeah. Got the door over here. Come on, y'all, let's move. Hey, go get Nat. About to put these boys to work.
No, you might have to come out. Let that go.
We need to get a film.
What in the...
Give me.
No, Keith, don't try. We gonna get it, bro. Like I said,
Yeah.
bro, it's about to be 6 of us, bro. Come on, man.
Man, hell no.
They like, what the
Nat, you got a bad back, Nat?
They like,
He
what
said, what we doing? Where Joe at? Tell him come here. Oh, okay. He on phone baby mamas.
No.
Hey, if Joe was here, we'd have got it. This is Joe.
I tried.
Joe was an extra on Black Panther.
Getting the gym a little bit longer. What's going on, y'all?
My boy Famous.
I am.
He's from Wakanda. That was Joe. When he got thrown off the cliff, that was Joe. Uh-oh. Bringing in reinforcements. Hey, man. That Chevy power, baby. Look at that leg, boy. Look at that muscle, boy.
Nick, why was this such a great idea?
No. Look at that, man. We Gucci, baby. We're gonna just pull it out. Yeah. Oh. Hey man, be easy now. That's good, Nick. Man, they underestimating the S10, bro.
Man, I've been talking about my S10.
Bruh.
Top of the world, baby.
Bruh, the trailer is bigger than the truck. Yeah, the truck got it. I don't know if the transmission got it.
Bro, that S10 a dog, bro. All right, let's go help Nick. Look, Nick. Yeah, you gonna have to like get it straight and then come up and then yeah. All right, now. I'm trying to keep the front end down. Ooh, that tranny. Oh!
Too close to the camera.
Bro, who the spider, bro? Ooh, that tranny. Bro, that po tranny. Ooh, I can feel his pain right now, son. I'm just waiting to see tranny all down here, bro.
It's the SS.
Hey.
Oh.
Damn.
He ain't hit it. It's them shits flaring out on the side.
Oh no, he smoked that sucker, son.
I'm looking. Devin in the front of the truck.
Oh,
I'm
man.
laughing, nigga. The spot man for the other side.
Bro, I can't stop laughing, son.
Hey, we gotta see what the training temp is on this thing. Bro, that truck need a tune, bro.
SS10.
That truck need long tubes and a tune to get his balls back.
Hey, man. Best $500 ever.
I know. Oh my God, bro. I don't know what we're gonna call this. Call it scrap day. What up, DCB fam? Tried to get the scrap metal pile out without breaking Nick's truck, but we had to pull out the workhorse. Old country boy truck. This is what I'm about to pull it with. This the old workhorse. We all loaded up, all illegal. I ain't got no lights on this trailer. It is what it is. But before that, we got this customer wanted ready by Friday, but I don't think it's gonna happen because we ain't got all the car. Oh, we got a special guest too, man. We got a special guest in here, bro. What's happening? What's happening, man?
Working.
So
trying to get this together.
okay, D. So
I
what
gotta pull this headliner off.
yeah, bro, we gotta get them airbags fixed and gotta make sure.
Okay.
So you got the interior out, bro?
Yeah, I got the whole interior
All
out.
right, cool, man. All right, so we're gonna fix that roof or what?
Yeah, I think about replacing it.
Okay, cool.
And then we can just build the rest of the car.
Cool, man, cool. Okay, man, well, you need to get on that, bro. Like, you got a lot of work ahead of you.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and take these panels out. You know, you don't want to damage none of this.
Yeah, that's some expensive
Yeah,
stuff.
right there. I can't damage that. We got to put that
Oh,
back
yeah,
in
that's
there.
all electric.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, just make sure, man, everything come out good.
I'm gonna put all kind of paper and mats down because I do not want to get the interior of this sucker dirty.
Okay. I think this job gonna come out real good.
I know.
Yeah, I'm excited to see how it's gonna look. All right, bro.
All right.
Well, let me get back to work.
All right.
All right. So check my lights on this thing. Make sure my lights work. Yep, they look good. That one looks good. That one looks good. Yep. Lights check. Those lights look good. Tires look good. All right. Don't look like nothing's gonna fall out. I think we good, y'all. I know I'm about to get pulled over. Let me tell y'all a little bit about the workhorse, man. This the ghost right here, man. See this right here? So you can put your four-wheeler back there and slam on the brake. You ain't gotta worry about your four-wheeler coming through the glass. A lot of boys don't know that. Flawless interior. Let's see what we gonna do once we get going. I got my good old boy hat right here. It's gonna be GoPro'd up. Put that right there. See how that's how they ride right there like that? Bah! No electric windows, so we gotta roll them down. Oh, man. Oh, Lord. Whew. I'm breaking a sweat. It's hot out here and it's cloudy. All pressure gauge tripping. Look at that. This truck ain't ready for this. Oh man, that ain't looking good. There we go. Yeah, we loaded down, baby.
Hey, when you get ready to get rid of that truck, let me know.
Oh man, it's a workhorse. I ain't getting rid of this thing.
Come on, where you got it at? You got it at an auction or something?
Nah, I've been having it, bro.
Been having?
It's the workhorse.
Alright,
All right, bro.
alright.
Don't talk down on the workhorse out here in Louisiana. You gotta have a truck, man. You gotta have a truck that's gonna pull with no bull. Check this trailer. We got this door. We're gonna put him in the back of the truck. Put him back there. Everything else look pretty solid. You know, man, it's an art towing scrap. A lot of people just think, man, I'm gonna throw some scrap metal on the trailer. Nah, man, it's an art to this, man. You gotta know what you're doing. Safety first. You gotta have the right truck and the right trailer. See this setup? Take a look at this setup. This is a scrap metal setup right here. This is how a scrap metal truck and trailer supposed to look. See, I do everything right. If you don't have this truck with ball tires in the front, you ain't doing it right. Good tires in the back, but the ball ones in the front. As long as nothing fly off the trailer, we good. Tranny temp looking good. We're going 20 miles an hour. So these passing about 10 seconds. I look like a professional scrapper, bro. Professional.
Oh my God, man.
Hey, I'm a pro at this, bro. As long as nothing fall off this trailer, we're gonna have a good day. 25 is the speed limit. I'm just trying to make an honest living, bro. Trying to get some money. So I can put some miles on my Lambo. Just trying to make my money, bro. That's it. All right, D, let me get off this phone, man. Make sure I don't tear nothing up, bro. I'm gonna holler at you. All my gauges looking good. Tranny's still good. We're just going 25. Normally I make about 3 or 4 of these trips a year. I can pay somebody to do it or just get somebody to get the scrap metal. But hey, I like going myself. All right, y'all, we made it. See what this dude about to tell me right quick. What's up, Cam?
How you doing, bud?
Got me a hat, bro?
Yep.
That's what I'm talking about.
Weighing in over here, weighing out over there. When you get to the outbound, just stop, and I'll wave you on when he's got you.
Thank you, sir.
What's your name, sir?
Dominic, yeah. We're in the dough, baby. So we gotta pull on this scale so they can get a weigh in. They haven't been here in a while, so guess we're good, huh? I wonder if they sanitize these hard hats before they just, hand them out. I didn't think about that. And these boys getting it over here. Check them out. These boys getting it over here, man. Just when you think you got a hard job, come visit these guys at the scrap yard. Just when you think you want to complain to your boss because what he got you doing, at least he ain't got you using a hot torch out there risking your life. What the heck is that? Let's see what's up. Good. Is that boy up there eating? No. I thought he had a plate, eating some food. don't know if y'all ever been to a scrapyard, but man. Other GoPro went dead on me, so now I gotta go to camera 2. So we about to mount it on the hard hat right quick. There we go. Bam! He gonna break my strap. Hold on, hold on. Strap, my strap. Hey! Take my damn strap. This the time you start thinking, I hope ain't nothing on that trailer we needed, but I think we good. Yeah. His best grab. That was his best grab right there. I gotta give it to him. He know what he doing. So yeah. Right there, man, this supposed to be a fun trip. Got me working. All right, now I gotta pull back on this other scale, and they gonna weigh me. They gonna let me know how much duckies they about to give me for my little scrap. Let's see what they talking about. They keep saying I'm good.
You got your ticket at the window.
Thank you, bro.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Like that camera, man. What
like
you filming, man?
Man, it's from my YouTube channel, man. Nah, it's a car channel. Yeah, it's called Dom's Car Visions. Yeah, so I'm just doing my scrap day, just showing how hard you fellas work out here, man.
Get a good shot of the bush.
I ain't got no scrap in the back of this thing. Now I can't see nothing. I don't want to end this day on a jackknife. Hello, I'm sorry. I can't hear nothing. Dominic, I'm sorry, say it again. All right. All right, waiting to get paid. Got my hair all messed up. Need a haircut, but I'm working, I'm grinding. I think the most I ever got out of this was like $250. All right. All right, thank you. All right, just got paid. About to see what we got, see what we working with. Oh man, I was dropping my chain. Y'all seen the metal pile. $232.50. Right. Bam. I'm talking about that right there. Hey, appreciate you, man. Right. So made $232.50. And I think I left the shop in about an hour. How many of y'all make? All right, bro. How many of y'all make $250 an hour? Now, if I could go get another load and do this all day, I'd be balling. That's it, man. Drop the scrap off. Got a bunch of debris flying off the trailer. So I'm gonna try to speed it up so I get all this debris off before we get on the main road. So y'all got to see real life of a scrap metal guy. Check him out. Look at that. He ain't playing no games. That boy got cars stacked on top of cars. All right, man. Made it back to the shop. Scrap Metal King is back, man. Made it, man. What you doing, bro? What you doing, bro?
What you got going on, man?
What y'all doing, man? Y'all getting it? Now y'all got to see what goes on when we get rid of the scrap metal. Man, y'all make sure y'all subscribe to the channel, man. We got some more videos coming up. Shoot me some likes, some comments, and man, I'm all out, man. So I'm gonna catch y'all later. See y'all on the next one.